Alright, school is out, so guess what? I put her to work.
This was my choice.
Yeah, by her choice. Doing a little bit of blueberry pancakes this morning. Everybody's up and about.
Morning.
Morning, sunshine.
12:15.
It's 12:15. Well, you know what? It's morning for us. Oh, yeah, baby.
Get out of my house.
Are you done? What do you mean, get out of your house? I want a piece of that pancake, man. That's what I'm cooking today for tomorrow. I've got some homemade spaghetti sauce, meat sauce that I'm making. Usually when I make spaghetti sauce, I don't make meat sauce unless I'm making it to go over lasagna. But today I'm making meat sauce to go over spaghetti for tomorrow. So I'm going to show you what I've got going on here. I just kind of decided I wanted something different. I wanted something quick and easy. I mean, to me, this is quick and easy because, you know, I can get it started, and I'm going to let it cook for hours on end. Probably about 3.5, 4 hours till that meat breaks down. It's nice and tender. I don't have a whole lot of meat in here. I got about a pound of ground chuck, which is all I want. I don't want it so inundated. Normally, I drain because, you know, I like to use ground chuck. The grease that's rendered off of it, but there's really not a whole lot, so I'm not going to drain it. I'm going to make a big old pot of pasta sauce. I like to use tomato sauce, tomato paste, not tomato paste. I don't use tomato paste. Tomato sauce, crushed tomatoes. This is a can of Petite Dice. They had all their tomatoes on sale. I hope I didn't get no fire roasted or nothing because that wouldn't be good. You know what? I'm going to open up one more can of sauce because I like a lot of sauce. I don't know who's coming over tomorrow. You know, I don't know if Brandon's going to come back over or not. Brandon's on his way home today. And they might come over and have some pasta. But if not, at least we'll have it to, you know, eat for a couple days this week. So, pour one more can of tomato sauce in there. Look, that's a big old pot of pasta sauce. Looks like I'm feeding an army. I am the Frank's army. Ooh, look at that. See, it's not going to be, you know, extremely meaty. I don't like it so meaty. I'm not one of those so meaty type pasta sauce type people, you know what I'm saying. And I've got some garlic and onion here. I'm putting in that because this will all cook together perfectly like heaven. I like it. Put that in there. Lots and lots and lots of Italian seasoning. You guys have to tell me what you're cooking for this weekend. I'm going to try to get some more videos up. I had a couple, 2 or 3 of them that were editing. I was in the editing process. A couple of them that had been edited, but you know, after, this is some oregano, after we got, you know, the devastation with the tornadoes and everything going on around, I just I haven't really uploaded anything, but I promise I'm going to get back to that. This is such a big pot. I'm going to put probably 4 because they're kind of small. These are bay leaves. This is what makes pasta sauce. Trust me. Trust and believe, my friends. I'm going to put some onion salt. This onion salt, this is all chunked up. You know, if it gets moist, if you don't put the lid on it good, it all sticks together, you know what I'm saying? I know I got some garlic powder somewhere. My cabinets are a disaster. Maybe I can get Olivia to clean them out while she's out of school. She is out of school for summer break. I love when she's out of school. Don't you guys like when your kids are out of school or your kids were out of school? I always enjoyed it. People were like, oh, my kids are out of school. They're going to drive me flipping nuts. Not me. I always enjoyed when my kids were out of school. Trust and believe that. I liked having them home. I always liked having them home. She was devastated today because all the, we ate out today. I decided I was going to cook one day and eat out one day. So we decided to eat out today, and she was so disturbed because Taco Bell was closed. It was the only restaurant in Brookville that was closed. Oh my gosh. She was so devastated because she is the Taco Bell queen. If she don't have Taco Bell once a week, the world is ending. She gets so excited about it. Alright, we're going to bring this together and let it cook. Spaghetti sauce is one of the easiest things in the world to make. Trust me, you guys. Got my little red cup. I forget what these are called. What did I say these are called? I forget what these cups are called. But of course I bought some today because you've seen them in the grocery haul. For my delicious tea. I'm gonna let this cook away for about 3 hours. So I hope you like this video. I may tomorrow include, before I start this, just a picture of my spaghetti just to tease y'all. If not, then, you know, I love you guys so very much. I'm gonna go ahead and end this. And like I said, again, I appreciate all the outpouring, the love, and the support, and the kind words, and the concerns over the disaster that happened in not only my neighborhood, but multiple other neighborhoods, communities surrounding me. You know, I appreciate you guys so very much. I love you guys so very much. I'm wanting to plan on doing a live very soon. I'm a little nervous about that, but I want to do a live with you guys soon. I'd love to talk with you live, maybe in the near future. So I love you, I love you, I love you. I appreciate you, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye. That's a pile of spaghetti.